In this lesson, we will learn about the area of a circle. Consider this circle with a radius r. Now, the formula for the area of a circle, A, is pi r square, where pi is a constant that is approximately equals to 3.14. Note that it is very important to include the unit. Since this is the formula for area, its unit will be in the form of square unit. We will see more explanations on this in the upcoming example. Now, let's see some examples on using this formula. For these examples, we take pi as 3.14. Find the area of this circle when its radius is 3 centimeters. To solve this, we start with the formula for the area of a circle, A, equals to pi r square. Since the radius is given as 3 centimeters, we can substitute r with 3. Next, we can simplify 3 square. 3 square is actually 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. Let's write down this number. Next, since pi is given as 3.14, we can substitute this pi with 3.14. Let's continue by multiplying 3.14 with 9. This gives 28.26. Note that this number has no meaning unless we include the unit for it. Since the radius is given in centimeter, the unit for the area will be in square centimeter. Hence, the area of this circle is 28.26 square centimeter. Next example, given that the area of this circle is 78.5 square feet. Find its radius. Again, we start with the formula for the area of a circle, A, equals to pi r square. Now, since the values for 8 and pi are given, we can find the radius by solving this equation for r. Here's how. Since the value of the area is given as 78.5 square feet, we can substitute A with 78.5. Similarly, since pi is given as 3.14, we can substitute this pi with 3.14. Now we have 3.14 r square equals to 78.5. Let's rewrite this equation so that it will look neater. To find r, we need to remove 3.14. We can do so by dividing both sides of the equation with 3.14. After doing so, we have r square equals to 78.5 over 3.14. 78.5 divides by 3.14 gives 25. Here, we have r square equals to 25. We can find r by calculating the square root of 25. Square root of 25 gives 5. Now, this number is meaningless unless we include the unit for it. Since the area is in square feet, the radius of the circle will be in feet. Therefore, the radius of this circle is 5 feet. That is all for this lesson. Try out the practice question to further your understanding.